Where to find the best sites. Media playback software. Hello. You want more information about how to replace an original Mpeg codec? These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about how to replace an original Mpeg codec is free-codecs.com. Specifically the page titled Free Download FFD Show Mpeg, 4-Video Decoder September 29, 2014. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site windows.microsoft.com, especially the page Codecs, Frequently Asked Questions, Windows Help. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see answers.microsoft.com. The web page How to Repair Windows 7 Codecs. Microsoft Community. Here's the link.